I'm talking about Budgie's lifespan. In general, budgies are healthy and energetic. Yeah, Rebecca, you're helping me out. They also hit the genetic pot by evolving to be the parakeet species with the largest lifespan. Even so, may die as young as 2 to 5 years old. This happens so often. Many people think budgies have naturally short lives. Sadly, this is not normal. When giving prompt care, a budgie can live between 8 and 15 years. That's the same age range as a dog. There are reports of birds reaching 20 years old. That's beyond most dogs. And I will put this at the end of the video. Bye bye.